welcome back to my channel. Good morning. Today's video, mag-unbox lang tayo ng bagong skincare na gagamitin ko every night. Kasi yung gamit ko lang talaga is pants, cream, and facial. So, nag-order ako sa Lazada ng dalawang item for my add-on skincare nighttime routine. So, we will just unbox it and I will just share with you what are those two products. So, without further ado, guys, let's do this video. So guys, the product that I got from Lazada or I will try is this one, the Estee Lauder product, which is very familiar. Alam nyo na yon, hindi na huli na nga ako kasi nga alam kong matagal na sila na company based in the US, all over the world, and I know most of you are using it already. So, ito lang naman yung guys, 2 items lang yung kinuha ko kasi sobrang mahal ng mga products nila. I cannot afford it. So, I just to get 2 products to try on. Kasi natatakot ako mag-rejuvenating set. So, I will just try this one. So, guys, before itong box na to, may box pa talaga siya na brown box. Tapos, secured talaga siya. And then, may naka-wrap siya ng bubble wrap. And then, this one. So, sealed pa talaga siya. And then, let's open it. Sobrang bango, guys. Mabango yung carton. Kaya pala mabango, guys, kasi may rub-on sila na parang scent ng perfume nila ng Estee Lauder. Sobrang bango ng perfume nila, guys. Kaso, ang mahal siguro. So, secure naman siya, guys. So, I got a freebies over here, guys. I've got a card holder, I've got a card holder, which is very nice, guys. Gustong gusto ko. Tapos may mirror pa siya ng free. The 2 products that I've got from Estee Lauder, guys, is this one. This Micro Essence treatment lotion, like the toner. Ito yung gagamitin ko, kinuha ko. Tapos ang isa naman is this Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex Serum. So, ito guys, alam naman na, tinatry ko lang kasi yung serum, guys. Kasi first time ko talaga mag-serum, guys. So, naghanap ako ng, alam nyo na, best na, So, ito yung napili ko, yung sa Estee Lauder na serum. So, as what I see in this box, sobrang liit niya, guys. Ang maliit talaga siya, guys. And, let's open this one. Nag-unbox lang ako, guys, ha, kasi hindi naman ako skincare pro na mga guys, tulad nilang Michelle D or whatsoever na hilig og makeup, skincare. Sino ba yung mga skincare guru, guys? Hindi ko alam. So, I've got these 2 products, guys. Sobrang liliit niya. So, what I can just tell this product, guys, is sobrang liit. And this is 1,015 pesos, which is very expensive. Kasi sobrang liit, guys, 7 ml, 1,000 na siya. You can buy a set of products if you have 1,000 already, but this one, by its name itself naman, made in USA, kaya mahal talaga itong product kasi Estee Lauder. All over the world, tapos made in USA, kaya mahal, guys. So, this is 7 ml, guys. This is the serum. Let's just try it on tonight. And then the next one is this Micro Essence Treatment Lotion, just like a toner. This is 15 ml, which is 435, I guess. Yeah, 435. So, ito, guys. Ito. So, this, if you're using for Estee Lauder product, this is good for traveling, guys, or good for, gusto mo lang mag-try out ng product nila, ipiyang ka tulad ko. Kasi, kaya maliit rin yung kinuha ko, guys, for the first. Kasi, I'm very sensitive. Sensitive talaga yung skin ko. Acne prone ako. Talaga yung skin ko. Marami akong marks actually in spot. At this moment, marami talaga. So, try ko lang silang dalawa, maliit. Pero mahal na sila kahit maliit. So, this is good for traveling and good for experimenting if your skin is hiyang or hindi. So, the bottle itself is nice naman. Cute naman sila, guys. And I think hindi naman sila madaling mabobroke. Good for traveling. So, let's see this Micro Essence. If may scent na siya. Wala siyang scent, guys. Walang scent yung Micro Essence, guys. Para siyang Para lang siyang colorless, yung scent ng colorless na ilalagay mo dito sa hands mo or sa fingers mo. Parang ganun yung scent niya. Wala talaga siyang scent, guys. Colorless talaga. I mean, odorless talaga. Odorless talaga. Tapos, ang lambot sa kamay, in fairness, guys, ha. Pag na-spread mo na siya, sobrang lambot. Odorless. Wala siyang scent. And this serum, let's see. May amoy siyang konti. Amoy plastic, actually. Kasi plastic yung dropper niya, parang plastic ata to. Yeah. Amoy plastic siya, guys, actually. But I don't know. Wala rin siyang scent, guys. Odorless rin siya. Wala talaga siyang scent, guys. Walang bango. Wala siya. Wala talagang amoy, guys. Pero maganda, malambot sa skin mo pag na-spread mo na siya. At nag-sink na siya sa balat mo. In fairness, guys, maganda siya sa skin pag napahid mo na siya and ano. So, ito lang yung namang 2 products na itatry ko sa nighttime skincare routine ko, guys. So, I'll just do a separate video of using this one until maubos ko sila. So, yun lang, guys. Yun lang gusto kong i-share. I hope you like this video on me when I order this product. It's a bit pricey, yes. Nung tinry ko siya sa finger ko, maganda naman siya, malambot naman sa skin. And for me, okay lang naman. So, for trying naman, try out lang naman sa skin ko. So, yun lang, guys. Yun lang ang unbox natin today. So, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.